To file for paternity for your child in Maricopa County, Arizona, you can follow these steps. 1. Complete the Family Department's sensitive data, cover sheet, summons, and petition. 2. Make 2 copies of the originals of the following documents: summons and petition to establish. 3. Separate your documents into 3 sets. Set 1, originals, family sheet, summons, petition. Set 3, copies for you, summons, petition to establish. 4. File the papers at the court. You may file your court papers at the following Superior Court locations: Central Court Building, Southeast Court Facility, Northeast Court Center, and Northwest Court Facility. 5. Pay the filing fee. If you cannot afford the filing fee and/or the fee for having the papers served by the sheriff or by publication, you may request a fee deferral payment plan when you file your papers with the Clerk of Superior Court. 6. Hand all 3 sets of your court papers to the clerk along with the correct filing fee or the fee deferral application. The clerk will give you a case number and certify stamp the original set and the 2 sets of copies. The clerk will keep the original and return to you the 2 sets of copies. 7. Serve the papers on the other party. Read the packet at the Law Library Resource Center called Service of Court Papers that applies to your situation. This will explain how to serve the other party. Once the other party is served, remember to file your proof of service, affidavit or acceptance of service, at the clerk's office. 8. Wait for the other party to respond. Depending on how and where you serve the papers on the other party, in state, out of state, by publication, etc., the other party has a certain number of days to file an answer response to tell the court that the other party disagrees with your facts or objects to the order you want the court to make. If the other side files an answer response, you should receive a copy of the answer response and a notice about when and where you must appear for any court procedure or hearing. For more information, please refer to the official website of the Maricopa County Superior Court. Please note that this is a general guide, and it is always recommended to consult with a legal professional for specific legal advice. Here is a list of free resources that can help you with your family court case. Legal aid offices. Legal aid offices provide free legal services to low-income individuals and families. They can help you with legal advice, representation, and other legal services. You can also ask the judge in your case to appoint a legal aid lawyer to represent you in court. Free Legal Answers. This is an online pro bono program that matches low-income clients with volunteer lawyers who agree to provide brief answers online for free. Self-help centers. Some state court systems provide self-help centers for people representing themselves in court without a lawyer. If you are filing for family court without an attorney, it is important to consider the following factors. 1. Child's best interests. The court will always make a decision based on what is in the child's best interests. You should be prepared to demonstrate how your proposed arrangement is in the child's best interests. 2. Parenting plan. You should have a clear parenting plan that outlines how you will share parenting responsibilities and make decisions about your child's upbringing. 3. Evidence. You should have evidence to support your case, such as documentation of your child's living arrangements, medical records, and school records. 4. Court procedures. You should familiarize yourself with the court procedures and rules in your jurisdiction. This will help you understand what to expect during the process and how to prepare your case. 5. Legal resources. You should research free legal resources available in your area, such as legal aid offices, self-help centers, and pro bono programs. These resources can provide you with legal advice, representation, and other legal services. When representing yourself in family court without an attorney, it is important to be aware of your emotional behavior and intelligence. Family court cases can be emotionally charged and stressful, and it is important to remain calm and composed throughout the process. Here are some tips to help you manage your emotions and maintain your emotional intelligence. Be prepared. Familiarize yourself with the court procedures and rules in your jurisdiction. This will help you understand what to expect during the process and how to prepare your case. Stay organized. Keep all your documents and evidence organized and easily accessible. This will help you stay focused and avoid feeling overwhelmed. Stay focused. Keep your focus on the best interests of your child. Avoid getting sidetracked by personal issues or conflicts with the other party. Stay respectful. Be respectful and courteous to the other party and the court staff. This will help you build credibility and maintain a positive relationship with the court. Stay positive and optimistic throughout the process. Remember that the court is focused on the best interests of your child and that you are doing everything you can to ensure their well-being. It is important to approach family court cases with empathy and understanding, even if the other party is presenting themselves as a victim. Here are some tips to help you navigate the process. Focus on the facts. Focus on presenting the facts of your case in a clear and concise manner. Avoid getting sidetracked by personal hang-ups, dirty looks, or conflicts with the other party. Remain respectful. Again, be respectful and courteous to the other party and the court staff. This will help you build credibility and maintain a positive relationship with the court. It is also important to remain calm and composed throughout the process, even if the other party becomes confrontational or aggressive. Stay organized. Keep all your documents and evidence organized and easily accessible. This will help you stay focused and avoid feeling confused when asking questions or a cross-examination in trial. Be prepared, I will repeat from earlier. Familiarize yourself with the court procedures and rules in your jurisdiction. This will help you understand what to expect during the process and how to prepare your case for your judge's instructions. Consider mediation. If you are unable to reach an agreement with the other party, consider mediation as an alternative to going to court. Mediation can help you resolve disputes in a more collaborative and less adversarial manner. To find a self-help center near you, you can use the following resources. Bing search. You can use Bing search to find self-help centers near you. Simply type in self-help center near me, and Bing will provide you with a list of self-help centers in your area. Legal aid offices. Legal aid offices provide free legal services to low-income individuals and families. They can help you with legal advice, representation, and other legal services. You can also ask the judge in your case to appoint a legal aid lawyer to represent you in court. Free Legal Answers. This is an online pro bono program that matches low-income clients with volunteer lawyers who agree to provide brief answers online for free. SRLN. The Self-Represented Litigation Network, SRLN, is a network of lawyers, judges, court staff, legal technologists, librarians, and other allied professionals who are working to transform the American legal system so that every person who faces a civil legal issue can get the legal help they need. SRLN provides resources, research, and other support to help self-represented litigants have meaningful access to the courts and get the legal help they need. Toolkit. The Government Law Library's Special Interest Section, GLLSIS, of the American Association of Law Libraries, AL, has compiled a toolkit of resources for self-represented litigants. The toolkit includes links to legal research guides, court forms, and other resources. Please note that this is a general guide, and it is always recommended to consult with a legal professional for specific legal advice. I hope this helps. Thank you for watching another awesome video from the Norman Nix Show, LLC. All artistic rights reserved.